When all this started, the ice here in town started for me about 2 o'clock Sunday evening, about 2 a.m. I guess Saturday you would call it after 12 on Saturday. Trees started falling, and my first thought was, we're fixing to lose power in Potts Camp, so I need to get to the generator and try to get it cranked so people don't start losing water. So, and it was just a struggle for me because I had to cut like 30-something trees in the middle of the night, trees exploding, falling all around me. And I'm steady trying to get myself up to the generator, and then I accidentally got myself trapped in there because as I got up in there, trees started falling behind me, so I had to cut my way out as well. And there's a valve here in town that I can open up and get water from another county and bring it to this county so the people here can have water. So that was a struggle and a fight, because as soon as I get one tower full and try to open the valve to fill the other tower would be empty. So it was just a struggle. So at one point I got in my truck and I almost had a breakdown and said, man, I gotta have some help. And I'm losing the battle here and I'm trying my best. So, and then the Corps come along and they brought me this generator in the background, and that was like a calling from God because I needed that. That helped me, and it kind of gave me a little bit of a light at the end of the tunnel. So when they come in, they were super nice, and basically they just looked at me and said, hey, we got you, we're gonna work with you on this and we're not gonna leave you. And they haven't. As you can see, the generator's still behind me, and thank God for that, because I was able to get my people water. We had people in such bad shape here. We've had a few deaths around here, people, freezing to death. So, but when they come in, it was just the greatest help. And we're, the whole town, the whole community is thankful. And we have a real tight community around here. So when times get hard like this, we try to stick together. If it wasn't for this generator right here, I don't know. I just, at some point I would say, man, I gotta throw in the flag, but there was something in me said keep fighting. So, but I thank God for the generator, and God is always gonna be here. So, they say we born twice, so just keep the Lord in mind at all times, because he's always gonna lead me, and he's always gonna bring some help to you when he sees that you can't take it. So that's just what he done. And then he sent probably one of the greatest organizations down here to help me, and I am so thankful for that.